Welcome back to the channel for Part 7 of the Flowing with Life series on diet and lifestyle. Chapter 3, The Rivers of Life Diet. Part B, Foods that enhance RL flow. Section 1, High-energy, nutrient-dense foods. Leafy greens, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens help promote a balanced RL flow by providing essential nutrients and supporting detoxification processes. B. Berries. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries can help enhance RL flow by combating oxidative stress and supporting overall cellular health. C. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals. They provide sustained energy and support a balanced RL flow by promoting brain and heart health. D. Healthy fats. Foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, for example, salmon and mackerel, can help improve RL flow by supporting cell membrane function and reducing inflammation. E. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat products provide a steady source of energy and are rich in fiber, which helps support digestion and gut health, thereby contributing to a balanced RL flow. F. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They can help support a balanced RL flow by promoting satiety, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and maintaining healthy digestion. G. Fermented foods. Foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain beneficial probiotics that can enhance gut health and support a balanced RL flow by fostering a healthy microbiome. By incorporating these high-energy, nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can support a harmonious RL flow and promote overall health and well-being.